हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम, हरि बोल
हरे
राधे।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
कृष्णा।
3, 5, 14. तंचोच शोचान विदो अनुशोचे
अवितो अनुशोचे।
कथायां मुखान घेना
हरे
कथायां विमुखान्
चिनोति देवो अनिमिषस्तु येषाम्
चिनोति देवो अनिमिषस्तु तेषाम्
आयुर्व्रतावाद गति स्मृतीनाम्
आयुर्व्रतावात् गतिस्मृतीनाम्
पंचोच शोचान विदो अनुशोचे
शोचान् अविदो अनुशोचे
कथायां मुखामघेना
कथायां विमुखान् अखेन
चिनोति देवो निमिषस्तु येषाम्
चिनोति देवो निमिषस्तु तेषाम्
आयुर्व्रतावाद गति स्मृतीनाम् अंशोष शोचान विदो अनुशोचे
शोचान् अविदो अनुशोचे
कथायां मुखान घेना
हरे
चिनोति देवो निमिषस्तु येषाम्
चिनोति देवो निमिषस्तु येषाम्
आयुर्व्रतावाद गति स्मृतीनाम्
आयुर्व्रतावाद गतिस्मृतीनाम्
संतोष शोचान विदो अनुशोचे
शोचान् अविदो अनुशोचे
कथायां मुखान घेना
हरे कथायां विमुखान् अघेन
चिनोति देवो निमिषस्तु येषाम्
चिनोति देवो अनिमिषस्तेषाम्
आयुर्व्रतावाद गति स्मृतीनाम्
आयुर्व्रतावाद गतिस्मृतीनाम्
तान् although
all those
Shocha,
Shocha, pitiable,
Shochan,
Shochan,
of the pitiable.
I pity. Harehe of the Lord. Kathayam. To the topics of Vimukha, averse. Aghena, because of sinful activity. Shinoti, decay. Devaha, the Lord. Animishaha, eternal time. Tu, but. Yesham, of who. Ayuhu, duration of life. Vritha, uselessly. Vada, philosophical speculation. Gati, ultimate goal. Smritina, are those following different rituals. O sage, persons because they are sinful activity are averse to the topic of transcend the ignorant of the purpose of the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita, are pitiable by the pitiable, are pitied by the pitiable. So beautiful line. O sage, persons who, because of their sinful activity, are averse to the topics of transcendence and thus ignorant of the purpose of Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, are pitied by the pitiable. I also pity them because I see how the duration of life is spoiled by eternal time, by they involve themselves, the presentations of philosophical speculation, theoretical ultimate goals of life, and different modes of ritual. Hare Krishna, Supriya Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport. According to the modes of material nature, there are three kinds of relationships between human beings and the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Those who are in the modes of ignorance and passion are averse to the existence of God, or else they formally accept the existence of the God in the capacity of an ordinary supplier. Above them are those who are in the mode of goodness. This second class of men believe the Supreme Brahman to be impersonal. They accept the cult of bhakti, in which hearing of Krishna Katha is the first item, as a means and not the end. Above them are those who are pure devotees. They are situated in the transcendental stage above the mode of material goodness. Such persons are decidedly convinced that the name, form, fame, qualities, etc. of the personality of Godhead are non-different from one another on the absolute plane. For them, hearing the topics of Krishna is equal to meeting him with him face to face. According to this class of men who are situated in pure devotional service to the Lord, the highest goal of human life is Purushartha, devotional service to the Lord, the real mission of life. The impersonalists, because they engage in mental speculation and have no faith in the personality of Godhead, have no business hearing the topics of Krishna. Such persons are pitiable for the first class pure devotees of the Lord. The pitiable impersonalists pity those who are influenced by the modes of ignorance and passion. But the pure devotees of the Lord take pity on them both, because both waste their most valuable time in the human form of life in false pursuits, namely sense enjoyment and mental speculative presentation of different theories and goals of life. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnana-timirandasya Jnananjana-shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshai Shunyavadi Ashad Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Tan shocha shocha navido anushoche. Hare Kataya Mukana Gena. Shinoti Devo Nimishastu Yesha. Ayurvetavad Gati Smritina. O sage, persons because they are sinful, accurate, averse to the topic of the transcendental, ignorant of the purpose of the Mahabharata, the Gita, pitied by the pitiable. I pity them. I also pity them because I see how the duration life spoiled eternal time by the involved in the present, philosophical speculation, theoretical ultimate goal life, different modes of ritual. So there is a discussion going between Maitreya and Vidura, and something very interesting, pity. Now, there are three classes of people Prabhupada talks about in this. One class is Taboguna, total ignorance. And they are averse to Krishna consciousness generally. There is one more verse, it says, Vinan Pashugnan. They are killing themselves in the metal modes of ignorance. And if you see them, you really feel bad. They may have conception of God sometime, Prabhupada is saying, but that is just the oral supply. No anything higher, no clear conception. Just like in forest also, tribal people have that. Some God is there, and some power is there, and they bow down. But there is no clear conception of God. Now, suppose you see somebody like that in total ignorance and the life is in a great difficulty, you pity them. You feel sad. Correct? Somebody who is suffering because of total ignorance, you always pity them. You feel very sad. Prahlad Maharaj said, Shoche tato vimukha chetasa indriyarthan maya sukaya bharamudoram. My Lord, I pity them. I shocha. Shocha means I feel compassion for them. I lament for them. How it can be done. When Prahlad Maharaj was born, he used to wonder actually how people can live a life without Krishna consciousness because he is so much Krishna consciousness. That is one part. Now there is another interesting part. He's saying there are, so anybody will lament about tamasic people. Okay? He's taking drugs, he's drinking, he's smoking, he's sleeping all the time. You feel sad. Huh? You feel sad. And we should be compassionate. That is how the nature of Krishna consciousness is. We don't envy their position. We don't make fun of them. But we feel pity. Just like a doctor. Now, doctor, when he sees the patient, what does the doctor do? Patient is very sick. Does he get angry? No. He is rather compassionate. Okay? Doctor is very compassionate. He sees the patient very sick. What does the doctor feel? So similarly, it is said, hate the sin. Sujay, pankha band karo. Theek hai. He said, hate the sin, not the sinner. So when we see somebody totally governed by the lower modes of nature, we feel very compassionate about it. And we feel how to help. Correct? Devotees don't spit on somebody. That's not in the proper modes. They feel always compassionate, sympathetic. And that is actually the best platform for preaching. If you meet people and you feel they are very happy and successful, how do you preach to them? Suppose somebody comes to meet you. He comes in Mercedes, 1 crore rupee car, and he's holding in his hand most expensive mobile. And he comes with very beautiful wife and is very famous in society. How will you preach to him if you think he's successful? You cannot preach to him in that mode. Preaching is done in compassion. You should be convinced he's suffering. Just like Prabhupada went into America, he said, these people are actually in the lower modes. And my Lord, why you brought to this terrible place? Hey, these people in the lower modes are thinking they are happy, but actually they have no idea about the pleasure of Krishna consciousness. How will I convince them about your message? And that was in his heart. So if Name Ruchi, then Jivedaya comes. If there is no Name Ruchi, then there is no Jivedaya. If you are having taste of Krishna consciousness, then you feel compassionate to the suffering people and you want to distribute. Okay? So there is no spitting. A devotee doesn't spit, he is always compassionate. And people can also feel that. In fact, that mood, not only people felt when they met Prabhupada, even in reading Prabhupada, they feel like that. He is guiding us. Real nature of Guru is to guide people to higher platform of Krishna consciousness. But then it is pitied, and we try to preach them. But there is another interesting personality who is Satoguna, but because of not having a fortune of met a devotee, goes only till impersonalism. Unless you get mercy of Krishna through his devotee, you cannot, Prabhupada says, you can go to the opposite end of impersonalism. You cannot go to Krishna consciousness without the mercy and blessing of a devotee. So you can be in the platform, I'm not body, I'm spirit, soul, but the pleasure of service to the Lord is deluding you, it's not coming to you. So what they do maximum? They will have various philosophical speculations they will do, because nobody is opening eyes and making him see Krishna. Only devotee can. Krishna se to mara, Krishna nite paro. Krishna is the property of a pure devotee. He can give, but he didn't have the fortune to meet a pure devotee. So that was not possible for him. So what he can do with the Satoguna, mind is powerful. Satoguna means person becomes extremely intelligent. Shri Radha Govind ki becomes very intelligent. So a lot of philosophical speculation. He can speak philosophy this way, that way. Theoretical, ultimate goal of life, and different modes of ritual. Everything he can do. Dum dum tam tam. So many ways of rituals. He can do everything. Chant all shlokas very nicely. Take care. And discuss various kind of philosophies, theories about goal of life. But a pure devotee, first thing and such a person who's a Satoguna and doing all those things and has some philosophy of life, know something about God, has some philosophy theories about God, theosophy. This person, when he looks at the tamasic person drinking, smoking, feels very sad. Correct? A sattvic person, when he sees a tamasic person, the sattvic person feels very sad. Correct? But a devotee feels sad for both of them. He is pitying over the tamasic person, but a devotee pities over him also. Therefore it says, pitied by the pitiable. Pitied by the pitiable. So even a pure devotee, when he sees so-called sattvic person, he feels sad for him also, and he feels sad for the tamasic person. Therefore, how beautiful. Prabhupada says, Krishna conscious movement is a boon for the human society. What is it? It is a boon because it is so beautiful. By getting Krishna consciousness, imagine, you can pity even the greatest of philosophers because they are missing the real aim of life. So Vidura is in a proper position to see like that. He's a great authority. He can pity. We have to first pity on our own self. How you are passing it. What's the quality of the chanting? We should pity on. You want to be merciful, first be merciful on your own self. दुनिया में दया करना चाहते पहले अपने पे दया करो, है ना? दुनिया पे हम लोग करुणा दिखाना चाहते हैं, बहुत करुणा से दुनिया को देखना, पहले करुणा से अपने आप को ही देखो. Look at yourself with great mercy, okay? And then take steps so that we can advance spiritually. The pitiable impersonalists pity those who are in present modes of ignorance and passion. Pure dear Lord take pity on both of them because they waste a valuable time in life in false pursuits, sense enjoyment, and mental speculative presentation of different theories and goals of life. Jnana karmadi anavritam. That's a platform of pure bhakti. Anukule Krishna Anushilanam Bhakti Uttama. Anya Vilashita Shunyam. Pure devotee means Anya Avilashita Shunyam. He has given up every other means of enjoyment. Anya Vilashita Shunyam. Jnana Karmadi Anavrita. Any philosophical speculation that is called Jnana It's not that devotee doesn't have jnana, but a jnana which does not lead to Krishna. Jnana which is just imagination, not according to Shastra. He's not interested in that. Karma, activities which are just for sense gratification. Devotee also does a lot of activity, but activities for sense gratification. He keeps himself away. Jnana karmadi anavritam anukulena. Very favorably serves the Lord. Krishnanu Sheelanam Bhakti Uttama. Such devotion is called pure devotion. Okay, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, anybody has anything to ask?
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा
हरे
प्रभु
कृष्ण
जी,
प्रभु जी, हरे
प्रणाम।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी, हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी,
प्रभु जी,
हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी,
हरे
कृष्णा प्रभु जी,
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी,
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी,
हरे कृष्ण
हरे
प्रभु जी।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी,
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी,
कल्पतरूपश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे
पतितानां
कृष्ण
पावनेभ्यो
प्रभु जी।
वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो